Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly shave or trim your legs using the Lawn Mower 3.0. This is probably the easiest part of your body to shave. You're less likely to have any nicks or scratches or mess this up in any way. One, because you can see pretty much everything, and two, most of the surfaces are pretty flat and or round. So first things first, when you're taking your razor or trimmer, you really want to hold it correctly. I see a lot of guys kind of mess this up sometimes, and they will take the razor and they will go like straight at it and kind of scratch along the surface like it's a back scratcher. But you really want to flip it around and use the back of the razor to glide against your skin and then press the blade that way. It will make it a ton easier. You're going to get a smoother shave, and it's not going to leave any scratch marks on your skin after you're done shaving. You might have a little bit of issues along the back of your knee, the front of your knee, and around your ankle because there's a lot more angles in there. And if it helps, you can pull the skin around your knee up or down or sideways so you get a flat surface and you can trim the hair that is on your knees. So if you guys aren't familiar with Manscaped, they have been pretty much one of the leaders in the pack when it comes to grooming your downstairs business with their Lawn Mower 3.0 with the replaceable blades and the ergonomic design. They put more power into it, it has a longer battery life, and there is a flashlight on there so you can see all of the nooks and crannies that you need to get to. I would 100% recommend the Lawn Mower 3.0 to you guys. So that pretty much wraps up the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Manscaped. Give them a look and check it out.